Hi, I'm Lee from Content Monsta. You've received this video because you've been invited as a guest on one of our clients' podcasts. We work behind the scenes to produce the highest quality sound for the podcast as possible. To do so, we use a service called Zencastr. You may have already received a link to connect to Zencastr from your host or from our producer. Using Zencastr, we're able to record super high quality audio with multiple people in different locations. Let's review some important tips to help your recording run smoothly. It's important to note the ideal way to connect as a guest is from your computer. This allows us to capture your voice at the best quality. We ask that you do not use a mobile device to record. If calling into the podcast by phone is your only option, please ask your host for a telephone call-in number. Now, about connecting by computer. First, check your internet connection speed using a website like speedtest.net. We recommend at least 3 megabytes upload and download speeds. Next, for the best audio, we suggest one of two types of microphone-headphone combinations. One option will be your earbuds or headset with the microphone. These options are only the best if you don't have a standalone microphone available. The second and best overall option would be if you have a standalone microphone connected to your computer. This will give you the best quality. Be sure to grab a pair of headphones though. On or over-the-ear headphones like these are ideal because this padding blocks the sound and other voices from picking up in your microphone. Make sure your headphones and mic are plugged in and connected before you click on your Zencastr recording link. Because your web browser manages the audio on your computer locally, make sure you're using a modern supported browser such as Google Chrome or Firefox. Don't connect using an incognito window or in private browsing mode, just in case you need the local backups from your recordings. And be sure to close down any programs or browser tabs you don't need because it could slow down your computer. When the recording is done, please keep your browser window open until our producer confirms that the audio file is processed and uploaded to the servers. A message will pop up on your screen when this process is complete. We hope these tips helped. Now, let's go record some great audio.